I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorns app full guide. Open the app and tap Sign Up, then follow prompts to verify your identity and link a bank to fund your account. Set a recurring investment amount you can afford and select a portfolio that matches your risk comfort. Enable roundups to invest spare change automatically and check your dashboard regularly for performance and insights. In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorns app full guide. Navigate the bottom menu to find Invest, Spend, and Found Money sections for quick access. Tap Invest to review your portfolio allocation and adjust recurring contributions as needed. Use the Explore tab to discover educational content and seasonal offers. Regularly review performance, rebalance preferences, and update linked accounts to keep your plan aligned with goals. In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorns app full guide. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite fits in a bag beside your phone and makes reading finance guides easy and comfy, with a bright screen and long battery life. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and extra deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorns app full guide. Begin by setting a modest recurring deposit and turn on roundups to automate investments painlessly. Check Found Money deals before shopping to earn bonus contributions from partners. Monitor fees relative to your balance and gradually raise contributions as comfort grows. Make a simple monthly check-in a habit to stay on track toward your goals and adjust settings when life changes occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.